Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest way to make pork roast and sauerkraut in the Instant Pot. Let's do it! I've already rinsed and patted dry my pork roast. We're beginning with 3.5 pounds. Now I'm going to put my seasoning on. I have pink Himalayan salt, garlic powder, and ground black pepper. So we're going to put that, I'm going to mix it up and sprinkle it on my roast. Our Instant Pot is ready hot, so now we are going to sear our pork roast. By the way, I added about 1.5 tablespoons of grapeseed oil to my Instant Pot. I'm going to put my seared roast back into my Instant Pot. Now I'm going to add my 2 pounds of sauerkraut. I'm going to add 1 cup of water to make sure we have plenty of liquid inside. Put the lid on, make sure your sealing valve is on sealed, and I'm going to put it on pressure cook high for 1 hour and 15 minutes. You want to cook your pork roast about 20 minutes per pound, and this is a 3.5 pound pork roast. So in 1 hour and 15 minutes, we're going to let it do a self-release, and then we will check on our roast. My Instant Pot has been doing a self-release for about 23 minutes, so now I'm going to do a quick release. The silver button has dropped down, so let's open it and check on our roast and sauerkraut. Oh, that smells so good. Time for a taste test. Oh my goodness, that is incredible. Such an easy recipe. You are gonna definitely want to make this pork roast and sauerkraut. Now, if you're not a sauerkraut person, you don't have to actually eat the sauerkraut, but it does give an amazing flavor to the pork roast. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. If you want to know every time a new video is coming out, hit the bell. Thanks again, my friends. See you on the next video. God bless. Bye.